What's up, guys, and welcome back to Hunting Auto. Have I got a treat for you? Stick around. What's up, Hunting Auto fam, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the second episode of my new project, which is called Rolling Chats. Now, I've got a really special car on the channel today. Let me get out of that sun. I got a really special car today, which a good friend of mine had lent me to shoot some content. Now, he's actually not going to be here with us, so he's lent me the car, which is insane. So of course we're going to this thing is amazing, and let me spin the camera around and then we'll talk about it. Boom, there it is, a C63 AMG C63 AMG. Now, you guys all know that I don't know much about my Euro cars. So yeah, I'll try and break down what I sort of know about the car, which is not much, of course. Well, I know it's a 4-litre, of course, twin turbo. I think it's twin turbo. Yep, 4-litre twin turbo. This thing has got, I think this is a 2015, if I'm not wrong. I could be wrong, but it's the edition 1 of the C63-s class, I think it is, and it's like the top of the range C63 you can actually buy. Now, he's only owned this car for about maybe 3 or 4 months. He's big into his Euro cars. And anyway, so yeah, I just hit him up and I says, man, would you be interested in doing a video? And he says, yeah, of course. He goes, I don't want to be in it though. So I says, I says, well, you take me and I'll talk about it. He goes, you can just take the car. And I thought, what the hell? So yeah, here we are with this beautiful C63 AMG. This thing is crazy. Can I tell you what, the sounds this thing makes is unreal. But just, yeah, look, there's this little monkey, but just check out the interior in this thing. These seats, oh my god, they hug for days. Like you're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. And like I said, this is the first time I've ever driven a Euro car. I've driven a Euro car, but not like a AMG. And can I tell you what, the only thing that confused me was because the indicators and all that stuff are on the left hand side. Everything's just all on the opposite side. But man, can I tell you what, when this thing starts up, what an animal, man. V8, like, oh, it just sounds so good. And then the blow-off valves, you can just hear them, but the note this thing, the sound of this thing is amazing. Let me start it up and you'll hear it. Oh my god, just listen to that. That sounds mental. It sounds mental. It's an animal too. Like, I think he's got like a stage 1 or stage 2. I'm gonna have to ask him. I'm gonna put the specs up and everything though. I think he's got a stage 1 or stage 2 tune. Now, I know this thing's being lowered, but yeah, it freaking really, it's just, yeah, it's got a really good tuck to it, really good tuck. But yeah, mind my bag in that. I got all my bag in there, but check out the seats, man. I love these seats. These seats are insane with the diamond stitching. But yeah, this is an edition 1. So like I said, I don't know too much about my Euro cars, but I tell you what, after getting in this and driving this thing is a monster. Like, it just sounds so good too. Of course, it's got the little snap, crackle and pop in it, and it's got a good note. It's just got a good V8 note. But yeah, so we're sitting on some 20-inch rims, AMG rims, of course. And yeah, like, it's got a really good tuck, but just check out the size of the brakes. The braking on this is just phenomenal, the braking. But yeah, the braking's insane, and like I said before, it's very, very responsive. Like, it just, once you put your foot down, it just goes, and it sounds good. Like, don't get me wrong, I love my JDM cars and my 6s and that, but the AMG's got a pretty mean, funky note to it. But you all know that German engineering, like, I mean, with the attention to detail in these cars, like the vents and all that, like, it's just on another level. It's got the IWC Schaffhausen. I don't know how to pronounce it, forgive me, probably butchered it. But yeah, it's got like this nice carbon center console piece here, and it's actually a red carbon. Like, I don't know if the camera's actually picking it up, but yeah, the attention to detail in this thing is amazing, and that's what the Germans, not only the Germans are known for, is just their attention to detail when it comes to these things. And this thing is solid and built. Like, this thing is like, when you drive it too, it just sticks to the ground. Like, it's like it's on rails, like on train tracks. That's how I can best describe it. But yeah, this oh man, it's just such an honor to actually get this car to come out and shoot the second episode of Rolling Chats, which is the new episode on Hunting Auto. But yeah, this, oh my god, you know what, we're going to get in the car. I'm going to set up a few cameras. We're going to take it for a spin, go around, and we'll chat a little bit more about this car. We might be able to get a few little boosts in here and there and stuff like that. But yeah, just check it out.
That means my...
All right, guys, let's take it for a spin, eh? Let's oh, listen to that baby purr. Yeah, let's go. Oh my god, it's so hot where we're actually filming right now. Woo, it's so hot, super hot. All right, let me get into drive. Like I said earlier on, it's a European car, so everything's all first time driving one, an AMG. All right, here we go. Okay, let's go. I don't know if you can actually hear that, but the exhaust note is insane. Insane exhaust mode. There's so many different modes on here too that you can actually go through, but I'm not going to touch any of that, of course, because I wouldn't know how to put it back. But yeah, I mean, first impressions driving this car. Wow, the torque, the amount of torque this thing has got, and it's so responsive. The handling, like I said earlier on in the video, it's like this thing is on train tracks. Just sticks to the road. Hope you can hear me. Let me light up that window, bit of wind noise. But yeah, she just sticks to the road. Now I know it's been lowered. I think it's been lowered a little bit. And like I said earlier on, I think it's got like a stage 1 or stage 2 tune on it. Yeah, 2015 C63 AMG Edition 1. Yeah, the seats are amazing on this thing. They hug you like you ain't going nowhere. They're very comfy. But yeah, let's give her a bit of a squirt, eh? Oh my god! Wow! Damn! Oh my god, let me slow down, The brakes are amazing too. Just stops on a dime. Amazing, bit different from the Ford brakes. Night and day. Oh man, this thing sounds mental. Oh, just the rawness of a V8. The rawness of a V8. Just, yeah, oh my god. That'll put a smile on your dial for days. Like, yeah, it's just, oh my god. Shout out to Cooper too, the bro who was kind enough to lend me his car to shoot this second episode of Rolling Chats. And so shout out to you, Cooper. Big ups, brother, for letting me drive your Merc. Now I can say I've driven a Euro. First time driving a Euro. But yeah, what a great car. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. The power on this thing. Instant, just bang. Great car. Great car. Well built. And it's great that we've got something different on the channel, of course. I want to sort of dabble into I love all cars. I want to sort of dabble more into different, what you call them, you know, all your Euros, your JDMs, all your American. So yeah, actually, if you've ever got a car you want featured on Hunting Auto, Rolling Chats, get at me. Leave down in the comments or hit me up on Instagram. I'm more than happy to come and we can chat about your car, of course, and get all excited together. That's what it's all about. Yep. So that's a wrap for this episode, second episode of Rolling Chats, and the amazing C63 AMG. Let me turn down this music. Now I've got to give the car back, of course. So I promised my mate I'll get it back to him on time. So I'm actually heading there right now to give the car back to him. But yeah, I just want to give a massive shout out to Cooper for letting me take his amazing C63 AMG. Can I tell you my impressions on this car? To even just to drive one, you know, I would have been happy just to be a passenger, but to be given the opportunity to drive this thing is just next level. So yeah, once again, thank you so much, Cooper, from the bottom of my heart. I'm going to close the video out from here, guys. So, like I was saying earlier on, if you have a car that you want featured on Hunting Auto, new project Rolling Chats, of course, hit me up, send me a DM, Instagram, and all of that, and just get at me, and then maybe we can make it happen. So yeah, once again, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Do me a massive favor and make sure to like, comment and subscribe, because this isn't easy, of course, but I don't do it because it's hard or easy. I do it because I love all things automotive. So yeah, once again, signing out. Thanks guys, see you on the next one.